And here you can vary the speed of the flow like you see in the background. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to review this amazing Yeelight Smart LED bulb, the color version. I said amazing and you will see why in a few seconds. Before I open the box, I want to mention a few things. Vast color options, very nice, you will see why. This bulb does not require a hub. I think that's a great idea. Of course, it's Wi-Fi enabled. A 10-watt bulb will replace 60 watt, so you again savings. You can schedule on and off, and of course you have remote access. Here they give a graph of the color temperature from 1700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, and if you use it 3 hours per day, it should be good for 22.8 years. And then here, oh, be careful when you order, because this one here says 220 to 240 volts, and so you may need 120 in some countries, so be careful when you order. But from my experience, in my case, the 220 does work at 120, maybe because it's an LED bulb, but it's working, so you can try it before you return if there is a problem. You can group your lights in rooms. That's very useful. You can control all the lights when you have them in rooms. You can save different scenes, and they talk about integration here with other devices. So it works with Apple products and Android smartphones. So let's have a look at what's inside. In the box, we have the light bulb, very well built by the way, with the Yeelight logo. So I'm impressed with the build quality, really. And a little user manual. I'm going to give you a very quick summary because just to show you how easy it is to install. So install the light bulb with the circuit off. And they say here a couple of notes you cannot use with a dimmer. It has to be in a dry environment, and also with some ventilation, because it's LED, there is some heat being dissipated. There's a QR code to download the app. This is what I used. And finally, you use the app to complete the installation. Very, very easy to install. As you can see, I have the light bulb installed in the lamp over there, and I have the app over here, Yeelight. There you go. So as simple as this. This is the light bulb I reviewed a week ago, the black and white. Now here at the bottom we have device. We have also room where you can easily control several lights if you have them in one single room. You can also create different rooms, of course, and here you can have different scenes. Now going back to devices, if we tap on the name of a device, we have here 4 options at the top. First one is recommendations. You can have different settings, like for example a party mode. You can see right there. You have a slider, you can change the intensity. You have romance, for example, and yeah, so quite interesting. You have also white. So even though it's a colored light bulb, you do have white, which is very useful if you don't want to use any colors. Then in the color section, we have red, we have all the spectrum, as you can see here, the nice green, a nice blue, a nice purple, and you can vary the intensity at the bottom, like so. And then in flow, you can hear, it will vary, as you can see here, it will go or cycle through all the colors. And here, I'm not sure what it does, but I think it's the start of the color, because all this does is to move the slider here on the color variation, and you still have anyway all the grades of colors. And here you can vary the speed of the flow, like you see in the background, very fast or kind of a medium speed, as you see at the moment. And again, the slider is also available here. And if you don't like the color, just go back to white and you have the white light. Here at the bottom, you have power, also available on this page. As you can see, the star here is for your favorite. You can, of course, save your favorite settings. And the arrow here gives you access to colors directly. You have your favorites, color picker, timers, schedules for on, off, default state, music mode, firmware update, and LAN control. So LAN control, I think, has to be on to control your light with Google Home, for example. And back here, music mode. You can, if you play music, the light will change with the music. So I'm going to show that briefly here. So I'm talking and it is changing, as you can see. Overall, I'm very happy with the app. Really very easy to use. I like the interface. So I'd like to thank GearBest for providing this light bulb for my evaluation. And again, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.